on. And what if all that stuff falls off, including that guy you run over on?
And then we'll help him. And we'll jump
You
out.
run over him.
And we'll jump out and say, dude, I got the whole thing on video.
Maniacal laughter.
Anyway, there's turning here.
And you might say, John, you're going to get pulled over for using your phone in the car. No, I think the cop is going to get them.
I think the cop is gonna get a good laugh out of this. Are we seriously gonna follow them?
It's just now on our way home.
Wait, Mom. We get hopelessly lost following these people.
You know where we are.
I gave him the thumbs up and he laughed.
You're following a guy videotaping him sitting on a...
Absolutely. We might even help him unload, Kit.
No, eventually we're going to turn off to go home.
Yes, of course.
We're not going to
I'm
follow.
gonna text Fatty about this when I get home. Because you don't bring your phone. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to turn at the CVS, right? To go home.
No, they turn at CVS. He's just chilling there. Like he's not scared at all.
Right lane closed.
No, seriously, not scared. Right?
That is the biggest subway I've ever been in.
Is it? Good.
He had a little startle there. Where he was like, whoa, what?
At least I'm behind him and I know there's somebody up there, so if he falls off, we'll know what
We'll
happened.
know that we're the ones that ran him over.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just go. We're not
I know, we're not
following
going to
them
follow him in the sun. That would be creepy.
in. Really?